and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. Just real quick, there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below, and there is other information down in the description if you care to read it. So, today I have for you Stitch Fix. You can tell I'm wearing my blue robe. That means I'm trying on clothes for you. There will be a playlist down below for Stitch Fix, but basically it is a clothing subscription service. You sign up, you fill out a profile. If you use my affiliate link down below, you will actually get your first styling fee waived, and you will get $25 toward your first purchase. The styling fee is typically $20, but if you get a styling pass, they offer it to some people. I don't know if they offer it to everybody. You might be able to email them and ask them about it, but it is $49 for an entire year that is also applied to a purchase. But opposed to the styling fee, where it's $20 that is applied to that purchase, the $49 style pass can be used at any time during that year. You go in, you fill out a profile, you get to leave a note for your stylist, and they send you 5 pieces, whether that's shoes, clothing, jewelry. I don't typically get jewelry, but let's go ahead and get into it. So you open it up. Oh, and I see a pair of shoes. So you open it up and you have your burrito. And I also have a pair of shoes. You get your return shipping label that whatever you do not keep, you put in the bag, stick it back in the mail. You get your invoice with your 5 items. If you purchase everything, you do get 25% off your entire fix. And then you also, that'll be in a picture in one of the corners, and then you also get a note from your stylist. I will stick that up in one of the corners if you care to read it. You also get what they call a styling card. It just kind of gives you ideas of different ways to style the things that you got in your fix. So let's get into trying these things on. So the first thing we have here is Michael Kors Tourney off the shoulder in purple in a size small for $78. We also have the Judy Blue Ella Destructed Tacked Cuffed Shorts in indigo in a size 4 for $42. And we also have the Toms in Monica Fabric Espadrille Wedge in off-white in a size 7.5 for $80. I absolutely love this outfit. I love the whole outfit. I love the whole vibe. It is totally 100% me. I love the ruffle detail across the top and the ruffle detail across the bottom. I love that the shorts are distressed or destroyed. I think that they're just really cute, and I love the touch, the added touch of the wedges, because as you guys know, I am a heels type of person. But not all the time do I like to wear stilettos. I do sometimes like to mix it up with some wedges, so this entire outfit is a maybe. So next we have this top in the brand Sanctuary. It is the Gloriana off the shoulder ruffle in navy in a size small for $89. And then we also have a pair of Judy Blue Lila Distressed Cuff Straight Jean in a size 4, and then of course I'm wearing the Toms again that are $80 in a 7.5. Again, this is just super cute. I really like the top. I think the top is perfect. I love the polka dot. I love the ruffle detail around the sleeves and the top. I do like the jeans. I like the cuffing, but I feel like the seaming is off just a little bit in the back. I also do kind of like my jeans to be baggier. I like to wear boyfriend jeans, but these are really cute. I'm trying to decide. I feel like the seaming is off a little bit. I do like how distressed they are. I like the cuffs around the bottom. I think that those are absolutely adorable. It'll have to go in the maybe pile. I'll have to think about it. Okay, so for my outro, I actually do not have my mind made up at all. I do like everything in this fix. I do have a couple of days to think about it before I have to return any items. So at that time, I will throw up in one of the corners if I decide to keep. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to keep something. I just don't know what yet. I don't know if I need to be a little picky and choosy or if I could keep the whole fix. So this is going to be one where I need to think about it for a little while. But you will know when I know because it'll go up in one of the corners. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.